So this is Ivy at Ivy's Adventures, and we are going to show you the video of USS Midway at Waterfront here at downtown San Diego. It's right there. It's the big carrier ship here in San Diego. So come join me. Let's go. Come everybody. Let's go. We're gonna name this video Market, Street Market. It is a nice hat. Very is it embroidered? Oh yeah, it's embroidered. It's so pretty. Oh, look at that painting. Yeah, it's right there. Isn't that pretty? Oh yeah, that's cute. That is a nice party boat.
It's a nice pontoon.
Huh? It's a boat bar. It's a tiki bar boat. It is a nice hat. Very is it embroidered? Oh yeah, it's embroidered. It's so pretty. Oh, look at that painting. Yeah, it's right there. Isn't that pretty? So right now, this USS Midway is a museum right now, so you can look at it and see what a carrier is like. But we actually have several of these kind of carriers here in San Diego. Right there on the left side is an active carrier, and the one in the middle is a ship that's being repaired by NASCO. And there's another carrier on the left side. So right there, there's 3 ships parked, 2 carriers. So personally, I don't think you want to go war with the U.S. All this carrier is gonna be going in your country or something. We feel protected here. I feel protected here in San Diego. This is what we see. See, this is San Diego life here. It's so nice, huh? So nice here. All the yacht, jet ski, yacht, boat, ship, airplane. So you're here, downtown San Diego. See yacht, ships, boats everywhere. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. This is San Diego life here. So behind me is the USS Midway. If you see, there's a helicopter on top of it, and there's so much aircraft on top of the carrier. It's just a lot. So this is what you get when you go war with the US. You get at least one of these carriers. That's crazy, huh? So this is again Ivy at Ivy's Adventures, and we just showed you the video of USS Midway, a carrier ship here at the waterfront in San Diego, California. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and keep watching. There's so much videos to watch. Bye.